Hello everyone, we are continuing in this video. Previously, we successfully cloned the repository for our microservices, setting a solid foundation for what's ahead. And today we're going to create an EKS cluster. So let's jump right in, open up the AWS console, log in, and we will create the EKS cluster with precision and best practices in mind. Click Add Cluster button, and then create cluster to initiate this powerful. But first, we'll need a role for this cluster to ensure secure and seamless operation. So let's go to IAM. IAM is the Identity and Access Management Service that is key to our AWS security. Click on the Roles menu to manage permissions effectively. We are going to create a role specifically tailored for EKS, optimizing for cluster management. For the trusted entity type, select AWS Service to align with AWS ecosystem. Then for the service, choose EKS, the managed Kubernetes service that scales effortlessly. And for use case, pick EKS cluster, which is essential for robust cluster operations. Hit the next button to proceed. And next, continue to the permission review. Give it a role name, EKS cluster role, clear and descriptive label for easy management. Okay, we'll add any tags if needed to organize your resources better. Then click Create Role and AWS will provision it instantly. Once the role is created successfully, and let's go back to EKS. We are ready to build on this secure base. Now we'll create EKS cluster and then create cluster to start configuring. Now name it Kubernetes. Microservice demo. Then select the role that we just created, EKS cluster role. For cluster access, choose EKS API and config map. Then we will add tags if necessary. I will add it here. Click Next. For EKS, we need a network setup for the cluster's location.
EKS ini kita memerlukan tempat, jadi networking untuk cluster tersebut berada. Jadi kita akan
We will create a VPC that includes various private subnets.
Jadi ada di dokumentasinya kita bisa membuat VPC untuk yang terdiri dari berbagai private subnets.
The documentation is at this URL. We are going to create a CloudFormation stack, which will automatically set up the network. Okay, copy this URL to paste into the CloudFormation stack later. We will need this. Now let's open CloudFormation. Then create stack. Paste the link we copied into here. And then click Next. Let's give it a stack name For example, EKS VPC. Leave the network configuration as is, then hit next. Let's add new tag, name EKS demo. Let's review a little bit, then hit next, and finally we will submit this. We will wait until the VPC is ready. That's it for this video. We'll continue in the next one.